and wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, 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 deep, 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 right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby.
Welcome back to my channel. So I am in Miami once again. Me and my good sis decided to have a girls weekend in Miami, so I flew down to Orlando and we drove to Miami. Just checked into our Airbnb. Really cute. Y'all know I love like the aesthetics anywhere I go, so I love a good, real nice, you know, accommodations. So we're actually about to go to dinner at we have reservations at 8:30, so I'm about to get dressed. I forgot the name of the restaurant, but I'll insert it here and like, you know, show her everything. But yeah, we're just gonna have a real bougie, you know, black girl luxury weekend in Miami and just have some quality time because, you know, we live in different states and we don't get to see each other that often. So that's what the agenda is looking like. I gotta go because I need to hurry up and take a shower so she can have her space once she get back. But yeah, another video, another travel vlog, just living our best life, my best life. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoy this video. Peace.
Ain't another woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you.
Look who's doing schoolwork, per usual.
Y'all just chill, okay? Why don't you tell her to chill? She's the one that's always got something to say. I could say a lot more. You keep talking, Nikki, I will lay all your shit bare. Hey, why you gotta burn her like that, Chanel? I can't stand her ass and the way she played my brother.
Oh, this is my jam. Ooh, it's fogged up. So, we're just getting out. This is what we're looking. Off to the beach club. It's real deal hot. Oh, I'm gonna flip up.
But there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my.
Alright, we ordered, I guess, room service, pool service from the butler. Oh, this Aisha is yours. I got some chicken wings. Ew. I don't like how they look. I got some chicken wings and french fries. What's chicken up? What's this? Yes, oh, and that's cute. French fries and some weird looking chicken wings. Hopefully they're good. But yeah, Aisha is doing a little homework again. Homework per usual, but she's just responding to some posts. And yeah, that's what we're doing. I need to do a little tour. They have like this little deck over there, some greenery. It's really cute. So I'm gonna do like a little overview of that, and I'm gonna insert it. But if you're ever in Miami, you can go to resortpass.com, type in the location, and whatever resorts or hotels offer day passes or spa passes, you can buy it without having to stay at the property, because we're at the Sonder, which is like a boutique Airbnb experience thing. So if you're ever in Miami, I would suggest do that. We were supposed to go to the Sagamore, but we didn't realize you had to reserve it online. Well, I didn't when I put it on the itinerary. So yeah, but we're gonna do a spa tomorrow, so you can also do like spa treatments on there. So we're gonna reserve a spa today or tomorrow. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do. But like I said, it's resortpass.com. Type in the location. 40, 50, 30. The cheapest I've seen was 30, and it can go all the way up to like $1,000 for a day pass or whatever. But yeah, that's it for winter now. It's really hot. And H&M, they got this really cute two-piece. I like this shirt. I think I'm gonna get this. Oh yeah, this is extra small. Let's try this. With that. That'll be cute. Oh, hold on. Ate at this really good pizza spot. We're in Wynwood, and it was a food truck, but it was like authentic pizza. But we are looking for something sweet to eat before we head back to the room. Let's go. It is 4 a.m. and we're just getting in the bed. I did a horrible job vlogging tonight, but we had a good time. We had a little intimate little dinner, had pizza in Wynwood, and went to the Oasis.
I had to blow out the coronavirus stuff. Baby, that's on my nose spot. I had to get the coronavirus out.
Like, people really be in your face talking to you like it's not corona. Even though, granted, we talking shit because we're in Miami. So let's, okay, no, I'm gonna scratch all that because we the ones in Miami. But still, people never knew what personal space was before the pandemic, and they still don't know. So it's 4 o'clock.
Oh, you didn't see it.
What? Actually, what? Yeah, we met some cool folks from Africa. They was cool people. Hyper but cool.
ADD.
Stop. We are about to go to bed, and I don't tell what time we'll get up in the morning. Well, in a few hours. But today was a good day. Day 2 was good. Day 3 tomorrow, and we check out on Monday. Tomorrow we was gonna do the spa, but it's like, you know what? Nah. That'd have been nice, but another trip, another time. So we're gonna do brunch. We're gonna go to brunch, and it's this place called Candleland, where you make your own customized candles. We're gonna do that, and then after that, we're gonna go to the beach and just chillax. I don't know what we're doing tomorrow night though. You wanna find a nice spot to eat? We're gonna find a nice little spot to eat. Y'all haven't seen much of Aisha, but here she go.
Hi. Tonight, we're gonna watch Half Brother. You should watch it. It's on Hulu. Subscribe to my Hulu.
Subscribe. Give me your access account. Give me your information.
Hey, should I? There is unknown.
The password is unknown, but we was watching this movie before we left. If you got HBO, go watch Half Brothers.
Yes.
Go watch Half Brothers. As you can see, we're about to watch. No. We finna reserve the Candleland right now. Get your phone.
We have something special for you tonight.
That's if you want to keep the party going.
Go to candleland.com. We gotta figure out what time we're gonna go. To book this thing for tomorrow.
It's called Cafe Best.
And then we finna go to sleep. We got our PJs on, hunty, and
However, this is a 16-minute drive.
so is Wynwood, right?
It was like 12.
So we.
So let me see how far this is from Candleland.
I did get some clips on my phone, so hopefully they look good. But
It's 7 minutes away from that one.
Wynwood?
I don't know.
What are we talking about?
It's
Is the Candleland is 7 minutes from the brunch?
and 14 minutes from this.
So did you want to do? Oh well, no, we can do. But we're doing brunch first, right? All right, we gotta figure this out. We'll see y'all in the morning.
So 11 minutes from.
So we made it to the Candleland. We picked our, what is this called? We picked our vessels, and then we picked our scents. I have sage wood, I believe, and Aisha, what you got?
Vitamin C.
Vitamin C, and it's SEA, not actual vitamin C. But this is so cute. They got so many options to choose from. This is a really nice bonding experience with my girl, and I feel like this is something I don't want to burn this after, like, cause it's like, and once it's gone, it's gone. You gotta come back and make it again. But really, this place is so freaking cute. Like, so cute, so cute. I feel like I'm a chemist. are officially done with our candles. We have to come back in 45 minutes so they can rest and dry, but that was really fun. We are at
Okay, so the ocean is really big.
This is the perfect time to watch. Well, the sun is not out, but it's getting really dark in a little bit.